Chandra, good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Have
ma'am.
you prepared?
Yes, ma'am, I have prepared.
Okay. Which topic you had covered?
Ma'am, basically, I am pursuing now currently Java full stack. So I have prepared basic topics of the Java.
Okay. Do you have your resume?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give it to me. So, Virendra, should I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me something about yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Virendra, and I have completed my graduation from Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar CSMSS College of Engineering, and I have completed my 12th HSC from my hometown only. And in 10th, I was in Nirmal International School. That was also near my hometown in Pachora. And I learned programming in graduation, and I was having interest so much in computer field, so I pursue that.
Okay. So tell me, what are your strengths and weaknesses?
As far as I concerned, my strengths are I am disciplined, I am hardworking, I am self-motivated, and if I look up to my weakness, then I will say I am very critical of myself. So that is my weakness. Means I need very much perfection each and every time. So that costs me sometimes.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's your weakness.
Yes, ma'am.
So what actions you are taking to overcome your weakness?
Actually, if you see, that is also not a weakness. That also come under the strength, because if you are critical of something, but it is sometimes time consuming. So if I have less time, so I try to cover it up in that time,
Okay. Good.
despite of perfection.
Okay.
Sometimes.
So Virendra, what do you think? You want to work with an MNC company or you want to go with a startup?
Ma'am, it is better if MNC also or startup also. But if it is a startup, then we can explore more opportunities in that. Whereas MNC only offers you service work. So if it is also startup, then it is also okay.
Okay, so can you please tell me the major difference in between MNC and startup?
Yes, ma'am. The major difference is that only that MNC just provides service, and whereas startup you have to do it from scratch.
Okay.
So everybody you are responsible for that. But whereas in MNC you have some group and you have to work under them.
Okay, means you are okay with both.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
I am okay with both.
Okay, so you want to work as a team leader or as a team player?
Ma'am, it would be much better if I get the team lead role, because I had done once team lead in hackathon which I participated. Unfortunately, I didn't qualify to second round, but I was the team leader there. Otherwise, I can be also team player.
Okay, great. So, what is the difference between team leader and team player?
Ma'am, basically, first of all, the team leader is also the team player.
Yes.
Team player means we work collaboratively, and the team leader means if he is a leader, he will see the others people that how they will go ahead. He will not think of himself. He have to think of others first. So that is the quality of the leader.
Okay, good. So, who motivates you in your life?
If I say there is Mahendra Singh Dhoni, ma'am, I am largely inspired by his life, how he turned to ticket collector, then to collect
The journey of
journey
Dhoni,
cricket.
right?
Yes. So that just motivates me so much.
Okay, good. So, apart from that, I just want to ask you about your project. Like you had done trusted crowdfunding platform project
Yes, ma'am.
in your academics, right?
Yes,
So, can you please explain me in a brief about your project, like what you had done?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we built some crowdfunding platform. So crowdfunding is that basically we take the money from the people and make a fund for our good. But if we do it simply, then that money can be stolen or taken by the whoever that controller is of that funding platform. So we built on it blockchain. So when we built it on a blockchain, so there is there is very difficult to track it. So your money cannot be removed by owner of that platform. And when if you have to remove money, then the 50% majority is required of the people. Then only you can remove the money. So it is trustable.
Okay. So, another thing is you had done internship as well.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that is 1 month, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what you had done in between your internship?
Ma'am, there was HTML session and JavaScript. It was front-end developer internship, and I learned the simple projects there like calculator, to-do app, and the tribute to the page. And in that tribute page also, I tributed to the MS Dhoni because, as I said, I have inspired. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And that internship also covers quizzes, ma'am. That were quite actually hard. So only 2 attempts were there.
Oh,
Yes. So
great. So, where do you see yourself after 5 years?
I see myself in a good company. First of all, as a greater position, if possible CEO, or I am seeing myself otherwise at a new startup, owning myself startup. As no, ma'am.
Okay, so should I start with your technical round?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am will coordinate with you about technical.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Viren.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Do you have any knowledge about core Java?
Yes, ma'am. I have knowledge about core Java.
Which concept do you know?
Ma'am, I know data types, variable, operator, and basic
Okay.
features.
So, Virendra, first of all, tell me the difference between JDK and JRE.
So first of all, the JDK is a Java development kit, which is a software tool which is used to run compile Java programs. And JDK consists of Java runtime environment and other set of the libraries. So whereas JRE is a Java runtime environment which comprises of the JVM plus other set of the libraries.
Okay. How many tasks performed by JVM?
JVM performs 4 tasks. First, it loads the code, then it verifies the code, then it executes the code, and lastly it provides the runtime environment, and it exists virtually in nature.
Okay, good. Why Java is known as platform independent language?
Because when Java is read and write everywhere language, and when we compile the Java program, then that .java file converted into .class file, bytecode file. It does not go to machine code directly. It converted to bytecode. So that bytecode can be used on any platform, and we can run that code on any platform, as a Mac, Linux, and Windows. So that is Java is platform independent.
Okay. What do you mean by variable and how many ways to create a variable in a Java?
A variable is basically the container that it is a container that the value of the data we associate with.
Okay.
And there are 3 types of variable in Java. First is local, then instance, and then static variable.
Okay. How you can declare the static variable and how you can call it?
We can declare static variable simply by static keyword, and it can only be instance variable. We can declare static variable to only instance variable, and we can call it by 3 methods. First by object reference, second by class name, and third directly variable itself.
Okay, good. What is the instance variable and how you can call it?
Instance variable is a variable that is declared inside a class and outside a method,
Okay.
and we can call it by object reference method.
Object reference. Okay. How you can initialize an object in a Java?
We can initialize object in a Java by using constructor.
Correct. How you can create the object in a Java?
We can create object by new keyword.
New keyword. Okay. How many types of constructor?
There are 2 types of constructor. One is parameterized and second is non-parameterized constructor.
Okay. Can you please briefly explain me the main method? Public static void main.
Yes, ma'am, I can explain it. First of all, it says public, so that method is public to all. Then it is a static keyword, which means it
What
is
is public?
public means it can be accessed by everyone.
No,
Means
what is public?
public, it is access modifier.
Access modifier. Okay.
So that can be accessed by everybody. That method can be accessed by everybody in a program. So that is. Then static means it does not change. And the public void means it is a return type basically. That main method will return nothing.
Okay.
And then in bracket we give strings array argument, because if we print some output, then we have to return in some format. So we give that in string array argument formats.
Okay. How many types of control flow statement inside in Java?
Ma'am, there are 3 to 4 type of control statement.
Okay.
Decision making statement, then loops are there, then and jump statement. So
Jump statement, loop, and decision making.
three
Okay.
three
How
are
many
there.
types of loop statement?
Loop statement, there are a for loop, then for each loop, while loop, and do while loop.
Yes. When you use a for each loop?
When we have to access a single dimensional array.
Single dimensional array. Okay. What do you mean by single dimensional array?
A single dimensional array means simply the one day array. Yes, ma'am.
What is array?
Array is a collection of similar data types.
Similar data type. How many types of non-primitive data types in a Java?
There are four types of non-primitive data type: the arrays, strings, class, and interface.
Interface. Can you say object is a class?
Object. No, object is a blueprint of the class.
Object is a blueprint of a class.
Yes.
Okay. And what is class?
Ma'am, class defines the behavior and properties for the object that we have created.
Okay. How you can create the class?
We can create class by simple syntax: a class, then class name, and then a body under it.
Okay. That's it.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Virendra. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.